And here we go. I can directly build my website. And in 4 steps, you're going to see how Odoo can directly build a website that will fit my needs. So let's do it. I want a business website for my furniture store business, for example. And what will be my main objective? For me, it will be to develop the brand. Here, Odoo directly offers me a couple of color palette that I could choose for my website, and I can also upload my logo and it will directly choose pre-made palettes according to the colors that I have in my logo. But for me, I really like black and gray, so I'm gonna go for this one. I can directly choose the different feature and the different page that I want to be available on my website. So for me, it's really important to have a page so that people can learn a bit more about me. Also, of course, privacy policy, because it's important that people can know legal stuff about us. And for now, I think this is all I need because I don't have anything more to say about my business at the moment. So I can directly build my website. And here, Odoo directly gives me 3 different templates that I could use from my website. As you can see, there are 3 really different templates with different type of images and different type of style, and I can directly choose and create my website according to that. So for me, I really like the first one, the colors and stuff like that, so I'm gonna go with the first one. And here, once again, Odoo is directly building the website according to the 4 different information that I gave him. And here we go, I already have a website. So as you can see, he added some furniture picture, he respected the palettes that he offered me, and I already have a beautiful website without having to do anything because Odoo already made it for me. It already looks pretty great, but I want to personalize it a bit. So, for example, let's say that I really like that title, but I want to change it, or maybe I want to add some different blocks. Here, it's really easy with Odoo to just, for example, drag and drop a new element in my website and directly it would be added. But for now, the blocks that I have, I'm quite satisfied with it and I want to change the title. So I can directly click on the title, put everything that I want to. So for example, furniture store. And here, for example, I don't really like the color. I would like to change it a bit. I have everything that is related to the format of my text directly here. So I can put it in bold, italic, underlined, the classic stuff that you can change your text into. And I can also change the color. So I have classic color. I also have some things that I can personalize myself. And the newest feature in our newest version, Odoo 15, is that I can also put gradient color. So for example, I really like those yellow colors. And another feature that you have on the website is that you can animate basically any text that you can find. So here I want it to pop a little bit when people get on my website. And so I can see the different animations that I have. For example, let's say that I want it to bounce in because I feel like it's going to pop when people are going to connect. Afterwards, I'm not quite sure that the button goes with it as well, so I want to change it. So for that, I would like to have the same color. And so for that, I can simply here change the style and say, okay, I'm not going to use a primary color, I'm going to use a custom color. And for that, I can use custom and then just fill in the color according to the gradient that I already choose again for my text. And just like that, now I have the text and my button that really fits what I want. But now I'm not sure about the image anymore. Maybe I want another picture that reflects a bit more the kind of furniture that I want to sell. So for that, I can easily just go here on replace the image. And here I have access to an unlimited bank of image. I can upload my own image, I can add an URL, and I can access to image bank of Unsplash with plenty of image. So let's see a bit what he offers me for furniture. That is better. So here you're going to see that first of all it's going to offer me some animations, and then I have plenty of pictures to satisfy my needs. For me, I really like this one. I really like the color and stuff like that. And then whenever I choose a new image, I can directly personalize it. So here I can move it around. I want people to see the entire table. I can directly apply. From here, I can also change the different filters that I can put on it. For example, let's say early birds fits a bit more my style. I can put that. I can change the width, the quality of the image, the parallax, add another color filter like we've seen before. And I can also change how I'm going to show my content. For me, I'm going to choose this one. This way I can see a bit more of my image, and change also the height. For example, I want the full image to be displayed, and then I can also add a scroll down button and choose how it's going to be displayed as well. So really plenty of possibilities just with one image. But let's see a bit what I can do with other building blocks. So for example, with this one, you see that whenever I click on a block, I have the entire style tab that opens, and that allows me to change things specific to that block. So for example, I don't want to have two column. I don't have to have three column. I want to have two. I can change that easily. I can also change the model, so how the images are going to be displayed. I'm going to leave it like that. I can say if I want them spaced a bit more or not, and I can even change the styling to fit a bit my needs. Let's say that, for example, I want circles. And of course, I can easily change each image individually like we've seen before. So that's really quite easy.